Welcome to the CMS web tutorial on forms. Forms provide a method of collecting information from people who visit your site. Forms is a unique module within the CMS. Forms are not stored as assets and are managed separately. To get started with forms, click Content in the top navigation, then Forms from the drop-down menu. Click a form title to preview it, or use the More Actions menu for options. To create a form, click the New button. This will prompt you to name the form. We require that you name the asset in the following format: your site name, one word, followed by the form title, using underscores instead of spaces. For example, your site name underscore contact underscore form, or ITS underscore contact underscore form. Next, click Create. Before editing, update the access settings by going to Properties, then Access. This is important to prevent others from editing your form or potentially viewing form submissions. Select your site group from the drop-down list. This will be AAB underscore your site name or orgs underscore your site name. Remember to save any changes. Click the Edit to return to the form canvas. From here, there are additional form settings that are important to configure first. Click the Form Settings to open the full list of options. The first group of settings determines what happens when the form submits. The default option is Show Message, which displays a success message within the form frame. Text can be customized using the success message or failure message fields. Alternatively, you can choose Redirect Page if you want to send users to another page, like a thank you page on your site. Paste the full URL of the page you want to use in the Redirect URL field. The Custom Styles URL is important. It applies to the WKU website look and feel to your form. If left blank, your form will not match the website or meet accessibility standards necessary for publishing. Enter the Custom Styles URL. This can be found in the knowledge base to reference at any time. Submit button text allows you to customize the label that appears on the button used to submit the form. This can be done to better match the action, like send a message on a contact form. Email settings are also located in Form Settings. There are two toggles for emails that can be sent. Send internal email sends notification emails to CMS users or staff when someone fills out the form. Send external email sends an email to the person who filled out the form. Details about emails, form details, and viewing them are covered in the tutorial on form submissions. After configuring form settings, remember to save the changes. Return to Edit to add fields to the form. Use the panel on the left to drag and drop elements into the form canvas. Drag and drop fields to reorder them. To delete a field, use the trash can icon. When you select a field, its settings appear in the right-hand panel. Details about each of the available elements and their form and their settings are covered in the video tutorial on form elements. After making any changes, remember to save. The form preview updates as you edit, but changes won't take effect until you launch it. Once you are ready to add the form to your site, click Launch. This is similar to publishing. Describe your changes and click Launch. You will be notified if the form launched successfully. Inserting a form is similar to inserting assets and other content in the WYSIWYG. Edit the page where you want to insert the form. In the main WYSIWYG toolbar, click the Insert Form button. Select your form from the drop-down menu. Click Insert. Save your page and publish it to make the form live. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, contact the ITS Service Desk at 270-745-7000 or visit wku.edu/ITS/contact. For examples, best practices, and other helpful information, visit wku.edu/webcms.